Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean, economical vehicle? This might be the one. Let's give you that virtual video walk around. Take notice of the exterior condition. It's absolutely flawless. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. Very sleek looking vehicle. Super clean vehicle. We're going to show you the interior in just a second. This vehicle does have a clean Carfax history report and has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving. Interior's absolutely impeccable. No rips, no tears, no stains. And putting you in the front cab, you're going to see that absolutely flawless. Power seats. Easy access to all the controls, as you're going to see in just a second, with an arm's length. Navigation, it's got it fully loaded, low miles. She won't last long. For more information, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.